to Keefrica TV. We got wrap snacks in the house, Lil Baby, all in hot flavor. Let's go. So these chips, found them at Walmart, about $1.50. Salt, vinegar, barbecue, onion, garlic, cayenne pepper, and more. I'm excited. Wow, there's a lot going on with that smell. Okay, here we go. Bro, I really like that. And there's that kick of hotness. You really do taste so many things. The salt and the vinegar flavor just pop. The barbecue, little sweetness. That onion and that garlic is just there to really shower your palate with flavor. And the cayenne pepper and more to add in another layer of hotness and just exploding your taste buds with flavor. Like, this is good. There's an everything potato chip right here. I mean, this is it. Wrap snacks. You have a good product here. Very, very good product here. Anybody that likes a little bit of spice, a little bit of sweetness, a little bit of kick with their snacks, right here. Go get it. It's at Walmart. Highly recommended. 9.5 out of 10. Don't go anywhere, folks. We ain't done here on Keefrica TV this morning, because in just a few seconds, we have a pretty awesome toy to introduce to the world. Please enjoy. And here we are, folks, in the main event. We got Masters of the Universe Stridor, and I got this at Target. Looks pretty freaking cool. One of the awesome animal armor-esque creations from Masters of the Universe. It goes right along the Great Skull Mountain playset there, and you know, you can take the little headset off. It has the blue coming from the guns on there. You can put He-Man, you can put a bunch of different characters on there, but it was really cool. Really cool. Has the little display piece underneath so it can look like, you know, Stridor is right in full stride. And I got this actually on clearance. It's only like $20 right now. I've even seen it for $14.99 because people just don't know what kind of awesome deal they're missing out on. So go to Target, check out that bottom clearance shelf, and get yourself one of these. Hope you love this. Make sure you have a wonderful day. Like and subscribe. Until the next one. Peace.